Hello everyone, this is a Tangle tutorial for Zander. We did this live last night and everybody loved it, so I thought I'd put together a tutorial. I started with 4 dots and made a border with graphite. We always start with gratitude. Find something that you're grateful for. Take some inhales of those things you're grateful for, and the exhale, get rid of all the junk. Feel your shoulders come down away from your ears. The pen will be lighter in your hand, as well as the pressure, and imagine all that junk going right out your toes. Now we take this elongated C shape and put it backwards and wrap it around that pencil mark that we made. And in the very center, going all the way down, we make a line and then a dot, a line, and then a dot. The rest of it is just auraing the line on both sides, and you can do that however you want. You can have breaks in the line, so there's little shine spots. You can adjust the pressure of your pen to make it a little heavier or lighter, whatever makes you happy. And I'm outside, so I didn't know they were doing construction, but we have so many hummingbirds. I was hoping you could hear them, but all I hear is moving equipment. So this tangle is one where if you just get a whole bunch of them going back and forth and in and out, it's a really nice one that I like to use to clear my mind because it's so many repetitive lines. There's a hummingbird here looking at me. Oh, I don't know if you heard that or not. So the shading is optional. You can shade above, below this little like banner. What I just showed you is a tortillon. I show all of these things in my Amazon affiliate link just so it's easier for you to find. And then I always turn the light off to show you what the shading looks like in the dark because it really helps you decide if you want to add more, add less. Turning the light off also helps because graphite is very shiny, so it eliminates that shine. Now I go live every night except Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, except for Thursdays, which I have a live Zoom class, and past recordings of those are on my website. But most importantly, please remember that this is about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle just happens to be a bonus at the end. This is about self-care. It's about finding where you move your stress, your anxiety, creativity, and enjoy. See you soon.